Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a flash effect on Video Star. So to begin with, you're going to want to have your photo or video already imported into the clip you'd like to put the effect on. Okay, press on New, Multi-Layer, press on the first layer, and then import your photo or video. Now repeat this with layers 2 and 3. Okay, we're going to go to the second layer, then press on Color, and select Pro Blur. Now go to the third layer, and select Blend BG. If you can't find any of these things, you can always search it up using this tool. Now press on layer 3, and press on Edit Keyframes, and go to about the middle of your clip and slide the opacity all the way down to 0. Now press on the straight line right here and change it to this curve. Change it to this curve, press back, press on layer 2, press on edit keyframes, and then drag the slider all the way down, the opacity slider, and press on the line, and then select the same curve. Now press back, and there you have it. Press create, press done, and that's it. Hopefully you guys found this tutorial useful. It was very simple. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!